Stuck at a career crossroads? In today's unpredictable business landscape, one decision shapes everything: your income, your influence, and your legacy. I've trained hundreds in Scrum and discovered this. Most people don't know if Scrum is their perfect career match and before investing months in learning it. This isn't another Scrum training. In just a couple of hours, you will discover which Scrum role fits your natural strengths: product owner or Scrum Master. The 4-level value framework that makes you indispensable in any organization. Why Scrum professionals consistently land in the highest rewarding positions. As a Scrum professional myself, I wish this course existed when I started. It would have saved me months and even years of trial and error and career uncertainty. Stop gambling with your professional future. This brief investment could reveal the career clarity you've been searching for. Ready to eliminate career guesswork forever? Join now and say goodbye to professional uncertainty. I'll see you inside the course.